So every company can redeem the preference shares from or with the help of two ways. First method which is used to redeem the preference share is redemption out of profit. And second method is redemption out of fresh issue of shares. So these are the two methods which are used by the company to redeem the preference shares. If there is a redemption out of profit, means organization have sufficient balance, sufficient profit to redeem the shares. Out of that profit, means profit and loss account credit balance is used, reserve, general reserve is used, or dividend equalization fund can be used to redeem the preference shares. If organization is using profit or general reserve to redeem the shares, then that profit, that fund must be transferred to redemption reserve fund. Okay, so capital redemption reserve or redemption reserve fund is created. Capital redemption reserve. Capital redemption reserve is created. Okay, so amount of profit or amount of general reserve is transferred to capital redemption reserve, and then that reserve is used to redeem the preference shares. So when there is a transfer of amount from profit and loss account or general reserve to the capital redemption reserve, entry is made in the books of account, and that entry is profit and loss adjustment account debit, or general reserve account debit to capital redemption reserve account. Profit and loss adjustment account is debited, means amount is deducted from the profit and loss account and transferred to capital redemption reserve, and that is the creation of capital redemption reserve, and this reserve is used to redeem the preference shares. So that is the first entry which is made in the books of account. Then the second entry is made when there is a redemption of preference shares with premium, means if extra amount is given to the preference shareholders, if the face value of preference share is 10 rupees per share and that share is issued at 12 rupees, means extra 2 rupees is the premium. Okay, and when there is a use of premium while redemption of preference shares, then also the entry is made. Okay, when there is a if organization is paying premium amount from the profit and loss appropriation account, then entry is made profit and loss appropriation account debit. And when if there is a separate premium account, okay, then that share premium amount, okay, is used, then share premium account is debited and that amount is transferred to premium on redemption of preference share account. Of preference share account means share premium account is transferred to the premium on redemption of preference share account, or amount of profit and loss adjustment account is transferred to premium on redemption of preference shares account, and that amount is used to redeem the preference shares at premium. So these are the two entries are made when there is a redemption of preference shares out of profit. There can be redemption of preference shares out of fresh issue of shares. Means if organization is issuing fresh equity shares and those shares are given to the preference shareholders, means company is not paying money or cash to the preference shareholders, they are giving shares, equity shares, and those preference shares are taken back by the company. Okay, then that method is known as redemption out of fresh issue of shares. When there is a fresh issue of shares or when there is a redemption out of profit, there is a must creation of capital redemption reserve. Means organization must create capital redemption reserve to redeem the preference shares, whether there is a redemption out of profit or out of fresh issue of shares. This is a compulsory creation of capital redemption reserve. When there is a redemption of preference shares out of fresh issue of shares, their organization is creating capital redemption reserve because it is compulsory. Okay, and when there is a issue of shares, then that redemption reserve fund is transferred to the shareholders account. Okay, and that shareholder account is also debited and that amount is credited to share capital account. Means there is a no reduction in the share capital. When organization is issuing fresh shares, and if organization is not getting money, then there is a possibility of reduction in the capital, but that possibility is avoided because of the transfer of capital redemption reserve to the share capital account. Share capital account is created by that amount and there is no reduction in the share capital. For example, if there are 10,000 preference shares of rupees 10 each, means there is an amount of 1 lakh of preference share capital, right? And if organization is going to redeem these shares, means company is issuing 10,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, but they not getting 1 lakh amount, and there is a possibility that there is an increase in the quantity of shares but not amount of shares, means there is a reduction in share capital. But we know that compulsorily capital redemption reserve is created, means there is a amount of 1 lakh of capital redemption reserve. That amount is transferred to share capital account and there is a then equalization of share capital, there isn't any reduction. Okay, and for that purpose, for the purpose of transferring the redemption reserve to the share capital, two entries are made. First entry is capital redemption reserve account debit to bonus to shareholders account. Okay, this entry is made. This entry is made when there is a declaration of redemption of preference shares out of fresh issue of shares. Okay, this company is declaring bonus issue of shares and these shares are given to the shareholders. That is why it is credited to bonus to shareholders account, and that amount is credited to equity share capital when there is a issue of bonus shares to the existing shareholders. Then the entry is made bonus to shareholders account debit to equity share capital account. Means dividend redemption reserve fund of rupees 1 lakh is transferred to share capital account, and there isn't any decrease in the amount of per share capital per share. Okay, issued bonus shares. Narration is issue of bonus shares to existing shareholders. So these are the two entries which are made in the books of accounts when there is a redemption of preference shares out of fresh issue of shares. So this is the procedure which is followed while redeeming the preference